Well, howdy folks, Luke Simons with you, back to the Basics 101. Say, just going to show you something. This here is tea. That's what we call it. That way the greenies don't understand what we're doing here, because they're going to say, yeah, whatever they're going to say. That is used motor oil, folks. That's what she is. That's what it will ever be, used motor oil. Now you can burn that, and the EPA doesn't have a problem. But if you do what I'm going to do, well, then some greenies that don't really use their noodle have a problem with you. So when I'm fencing, oftentimes we're fencing on a budget. So we're recycling good post, okay? Sometimes I'll pull a post out and we're recycling post. That's a cedar post. That's what it is. So this here is an old green tree post, actually, that I pulled off of a good job site. And the post really wasn't all that old. This is my beautiful assistant, Liberty Rain Simons. She is single, but she's very, very picky. And she's looking for a rich rancher type and heavy on the Christian. Is that right, Libs? You get a good look at her. She is cute, cute, cute. Takes after her mama. So, what are you doing, Libs? What are you showing us?
Painting.
Just painting. And you're using organic used motor oil straight from the ground. You can see how it's soaking it up. And I just took my beautiful little saw, put a little angle on it. If I can, I try to do that. Not all the time do we do that, but that's how that works. Of course, we put our complementary staple on there as well. Every new fence I put on, I always put that staple there. And the reason for it is well, of course, if you watch the videos, you know. What it is all about is, you know, if you have a cow or something that goes crazy and goes through the post, it's not a big deal. You got every fifth post has got a staple on it. So you might be on horseback, you might be on a four-wheeler, you may not have a chance to get that complimentary post, that staple out of your pocket or four-wheeler or saddlebag or whatever. Well, folks, we appreciate you coming along. Hopefully this helps. If you have the time, it is well worth it to put this on your post. Even new post, I would strongly suggest painting your new post. I have a trough, and a lot of my posts I like to soak them, and I let them soak for about a month in the heat. And it is a messy process, but it will make that post last way last. Folks, also, we raise corgis. My wife raises corgis. If you need any corgis, you let us know, and we will hook you up with some good corgis. Remember, folks, silence is acceptance. And appreciate you watching. Leave those comments. May the Lord guide and keep you. Until next time, this is Luke Simons. Happy trails.